Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and the latest in automotive gear and accessories. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best motorcycle boot on the market right now, the Alpinestars SMX-6 V3 motorcycle boots. These boots are engineered for high-speed protection, comfort, and performance, making them a must-have for serious riders. When it comes to motorcycle footwear, the SMX-6 V3 stands out. Alpinestars, a brand known for its cutting-edge racing gear, has created a boot that combines protection with style. These boots are crafted from advanced microfiber, providing superior abrasion resistance, which means they'll hold up even in the toughest conditions. Lightweight yet durable, they ensure you won't be bogged down by heavy, clunky footwear. The design features a biomechanical ankle brace system that offers exceptional articulation, while also providing crucial ankle and Achilles protection. Whether you're racing on the track or riding through the city, your feet will be secure. The front and rear flex zones add comfort by allowing for natural foot movement, so you'll always feel at ease, whether you're shifting gears or stopping at a light. A standout feature is the replaceable toe sliders. These dual-density TPU sliders are built to enhance protection and durability around the toe area, which is especially important for aggressive riders who need extra safety during tight turns and sudden stops. Plus, when they wear down, you can easily replace them, ensuring your boots stay as effective as the day you bought them. The SMX-6 V3 boots are CE certified, meaning they meet the highest safety standards. But it's not just about protection. Comfort is equally important, and these boots deliver. They're breathable, keeping your feet cool even during long rides, and their ergonomic fit means they're incredibly comfortable for extended wear. You can walk around, stand in them, or even shift gears without feeling discomfort or fatigue. With a rubber sole for superior grip and a secure hook and loop closure system, these boots provide a snug, customizable fit that ensures you're always in control of your bike. Whether you're hitting the racetrack or navigating city streets, the Alpinestars SMX-6 V3 has you covered. If you're serious about riding and looking for a pair of boots that combine high-performance protection with ultimate comfort, the Alpinestars SMX-6 V3 is undoubtedly the way to go. Make sure to check them out and see for yourself why these boots are considered the best in their class. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more reviews of top-notch products. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.